Oh man.
We on fire. Step up in the party, step up in the party, We on fire. Right up to the party, right up to the party.
What's going on with the YouTube, man? This is your boy P-Wow, and today's another video, but it's different, man. I ain't gonna hold you up. I ain't gonna play with you, man. This is Popeyes chicken sandwich video, and you can see this the line right here, and I'm going right on into the Popeyes right here because I just want to see what the hype is about this Popeyes chicken sandwich, man. Now I'm from New Orleans. I remember the chicken sandwich when I was in high school, but this one clearly looks like a different type of style. So I'm about to go in here, but man, look, I'm going. I could just see people. Look at this already in line waiting. So I just made it to the line. Look at that line. I'm in the front. Look at that line. Ooh, that ain't no joke for that sandwich, boy. Yeah. This the line right here. And this is not even one of the busiest ones. Some of them other was like super mad busy. This is like people scavenging around trying to find ones that still got them. The drive-thru got longer outside, so the hype for this chicken sandwich is crazy. Right? It's Vegas, man. It's crazy for this chicken sandwich. Yes, guys, I made it home finally with this Popeyes chicken. You heard me? We about to get into it right now.
I gotta hit this.
Yes, man, I know y'all like, this dude is really reviewing Popeyes chicken sandwich. Yes, I'm really reviewing Popeyes chicken sandwich. So, your boy took the opportunity, since I had to wait in a long line, as y'all can see in the beginning of the video, I went and got the, this is the spicy one. Oh my God! And I went and got the original classic one. Damn! And you know, just for fun, your boy went on ahead and got some fries. You know what I'm saying? So, I think I like this dude is country as heck. Yes, I know. Okay, so we about to go ahead and try any mini money more catches. We're gonna go with the classic one first, right? And I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion if y'all should believe in the hype or it's just a regular chicken sandwich. Now, I eat Chick-fil-A sandwiches. They're pretty good, you know what I mean? But I'm always looking for something new. So let's go ahead and let me give y'all a little close-up on this sandwich, you heard me? Ooh, that's a little shiny right there. I don't need that. There we go, dive down. It comes with mayo, got pickles, and that's pretty much it for the classic, you know what I'm saying? So let's go back. Now, you know what? I'll go ahead and show that to y'all right here. You hear me? Go ahead and get into let's go ahead and dig in.
Oh, you motherfuckers. Okay. All right.
Boy, this sandwich fire. Man, this sandwich fire. Okay. 1 second. So, man, at the bite into this sandwich, this is not even the spicy one, just the original one with the, yo, not only is it meat and every bite is fresh too. And yo, I can see why the hype is crazy for this one, man. The hype is crazy, man. Man. Let's try that spicy, yo. Let's see what that do. Let's try it spicy. Alright, so I put the mouth down. Now we're gonna go into the spicy. And this spicy, they got like some spicy sauce on here. Let me get back to the camera and show y'all that right quick. You heard me? On this particular sandwich, it's like some little spicy sauce stuff right there. You see, comes with pickle. It's the same way as the original, just with spicy sauce that's on this one. And if that mild one is fire, everybody really going after this spice. Let's see what it do.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Woo!
Talk to me, baby. I need a plus size around the clock. I got love for you, and we can do it all night while I sex the spot. Come on.
Bro. Oh man. I had a spicy mayo or something, I don't know. But no. This sounds fire, dog. And I'm like I said, just meat in every bite, man. This is fire, bro. God. I'm gonna get my fries. Nah. I ain't getting paid by Popeyes for this. I'm just doing it because I feel like it, right? Because it's hype over there. So, the only thing I would say that this sandwich is missing, I'll show y'all. Cheese! That's what this thing is missing on this sandwich. Put some cheese on that man. Throw some cheese on that thing. Ha! Gay! You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and slap some good old American cheese on that thing. You know what I mean? And let's try it this time.
He needs some milk.
Where have you been all my life?
He gonna cry in the car.
Where have you been all my life? Alright guys, let me stop playing with y'all, man. But look, all jokes aside, bro, the sandwiches is bomb, bro. These sandwiches is bomb. I can't front. Definitely, if you can wait till you get home, throw some cheese on that thing. It's gonna make, it's good if you like cheese. Also, make sure, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, you wash it down with that good old H2O. I've been drinking this entire bottle, and it's only like $1 at CVS or Walgreens. Make sure you drink lots and lots of water. Don't worry about no juice. But, like I said, in Atlanta, most of the places down south, everywhere I heard, like people are lined up to get this chicken sandwich, man. And they selling out, like people lining up and they don't even got the chicken no more. On a Tuesday special, you know, the 2-piece with the biscuit, not the biscuit, with the goddamn chicken leg and the goddamn on breast. They was beating out, the chicken sandwich was beating out the Tuesday special. That was $1.69. Yes, the sandwich is $4 and it was beating out the special for $1.69. That's crazy. That lets you know the hype is real on these sandwiches. So this is your boy P Wild. This is my review on the Popeyes chicken sandwich. You heard me? I know y'all like, dude, this dude is retarded. But hey, if you sit here and we watch the entire video, then you must be interested in this dang on chicken sandwich too. So make sure you get down to your local Popeyes. If it ain't already sold out, you get what I'm saying? And get you a chicken sandwich, man, and see what the hype is about. So comment below. If you got a chicken sandwich, was it all good? Was it just hype? Or you didn't really care, you didn't even go for the sandwich. You know what I mean? You Chick-fil-A for life, you know what I'm saying? But my humble opinion, this sandwich is fire. So make sure you get down there, make sure you comment below, you heard me? And let me know how it goes. This is your boy P, and I'm out, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Let go.
Brother, let's call it in the crossfire. Popeyes.